Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just another particular science stock here. It's called Cassava, ticker SAVA. I come across this one while researching some other ones. Here you can kind of see what it's done over the last month. Had kind of a nice run up and kind of went down, but it's running up again. So this one's kind of volatile at times. Had a great last week, 26%, over 26%, and here's kind of what it's doing today. Could have got the dip at 43.86, and it's on its way up to 47.76 right now. But this one, if you don't know what it is, it's a development of novel drugs and diagnostics focused on developing product candidates intended for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Including the following. The company was founded in 1998 and headquartered in Austin, Texas. And so I thought it was one worth looking at. I've been looking into a lot of psychedelics lately, mental health, stress, anxiety, PTSD, and so on. And I've been coming across some others along the way that are worth looking at as well. So, just kind of my thoughts, and so I thought I'd put a video together and go over some information and see who out there has this one. So here's kind of look at their earnings expected on August 11th in the pre-market. That seems like so far away towards the end of summer, but really haven't even begun. It's been raining here in Omaha all day, so but this one's got great ratings. As you can see, trading for 47.78. Here's the previous close and the open, 1.3 million volume, average trading, $1.92 billion market cap, and currently a buyer rating here on MSN Money. Here's some more information. Develop safer and efficacious drugs for the use in pain management, particularly in the area of opioid painkillers. And so another reason why I was looking at this one, and here's a little bit more information about it, is another pharmaceutical company making major waves in the treatment of mental health, in particular Alzheimer's disease. While its simulfilm is still in its clinical trials, its outlook is promising. The revolutionary new drug aims to help treat the devastating disease by bringing together different proteins to interact properly. So Alzheimer's affects over 5 million people in the United States alone and is set to grow in the years ahead. Unfortunately, it's incurable. Treatments such as these can offer a higher quality of life for patients suffering with the disease, and Cassava's efforts could be life-changing. So I thought it'd be one worth looking at. You don't see too many therapies out there like this, and where it did say this is incurable, so this might help these type of patients. So they Caladrius Biosciences and Cassava secure non-dilutive funding for product development, and this is just dated on the 12th. So here you can see they received a $1.4 million in non-dilutive funding as an approved participant in the Technology Business Tax Certificate. And Cassava has been awarded a new $2.7 million research grant award from the National Institute of Health. The great grant will be used to fund its upcoming Phase 3 program with simulfilm. It's a drug candidate for Alzheimer's disease. And here's kind of some of the price action. And we'll go over some more ratings here at the end. So here's some more kind of the same information about the 2.7 million research reward from the National Institute of Health, and I'll just slightly scroll through here slowly for those of you that would like to read through that again. And moving on here, if you're a risk-taking investor, Cassava Sciences is worth taking a chance on. So sometimes the biopharmaceuticals, this type of, are kind of risk-taking. They're kind of up and down. So if you're looking to get into them, just set your alerts, set your stops, whatever you got to do. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. It's up to you to do your own DD on these. So, nobody recommended SAVA as a hold, whereas 5 deemed it as a buy and 1 rated it as underweight. And instantly has shown a green trend with a performance of 8.31% at the end of the last trading. The performance over the last 5 days has remained in the red territory. The rise in weekly highs is $41.74 on Monday, May 10th, increased the stock's daily price by 1.96%. And so I feel there's a need for this one. I mean, there's a lot of people out there with Alzheimer's suffering from it, where it said it's incurable. So, I mean, if this could help, this could be huge potential. Again, that's just how I look at it. This one is just dated on the 18th, how it just got their attention. So, up 7.23% from its latest closing price compared to the recent 1-year high of $117.54. The company's stock price has collected 13.62% in gains, and 5 trading day sessions are reported on 5/12/21. And this goes over some information, kind of the ratings. We've kind of already touched on that. Their market performance and an analyst opinion. Kind of already touched on some of that. Moving on here over to Reddit. Not any information here. We'll check out StockTwits, currently at 47.82. You could have got into it for $1.96 there. Greatest stock 2021. I'm liking the steady climb. Awesome performance. So, quite a few bulls on this one. And over here to tip ranks, just great ratings. A strong buy, 5 out of 5, with a 82% upside of $87.40, a high of 110, a low of 72. So we're not even at the low. So, but that's almost, well, that is double, and then some. So great ratings on this one. I currently do not own this one. I'm going to watch it for another day or two. I just came across this one, but it does kind of look promising. It's something that I kind of like the looks of. Therapies that I kind of like. Kind of a passion for mental health. I've been in the health field for almost 30 years and see people with this type of disease all the time. So just kind of have a passion for it. So, but if you have Cassava, SAVA, go ahead and list that in the comments, or if you have any further information on this one that we can all share, that would be interesting to know as well. And I thank you for watching and supporting the videos. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel, and hit that bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.